Tahoe. It's BBG on 26 is back at it again with another video. It's been about 2 weeks since the last time I posted, and no particular reason why. Don't mind the way I'm looking either. I'm looking rough, bro. Like, I know I need a haircut. I don't care. I need a haircut. But I've been working a lot. I started my new job on the 26th of August as well. So finishing up where I'm at right now because I put my 2 weeks in. And yeah, we've been getting some stuff done to the truck, like behind the scenes and stuff like that. I'm gonna flip the camera and show y'all, but today we just gonna be installing my new sticker that came, and we're gonna be installing the chrome mirror trim. And in next video, I got a major review on a part that I know y'all are ready to see, bro. And we probably gonna go to the junkyard after I reveal what I ended up ordering for the truck. But yeah, like I told y'all from the beginning when we got this truck, this is gonna be a very slow process. I'm not rushing this. And yeah, we're gonna get into the video though. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We just hit 476 subs. So from the last video to now, I think we gained right around like 10, 11 subs since then, which is really good for me because we are really close to 500 subs. So I appreciate y'all. Y'all showed the last video some love, so let's continue, you know, showing that love. Anyways, I'm gonna flip the camera and I'm gonna show y'all what we got today. All right, so first off, I'm gonna tell y'all I did finally find my dream antenna, and it was magnetic. It's a Wilson 1000, and then that other smaller antenna I got for free from one of my buddies. Appreciate him. Anyways, we're gonna come in here and I'm gonna show y'all the first thing we installing. Told y'all I wanted to go ahead and do the chrome mirror trim, so that's what we gonna do. We got that. I'm gonna put the tripod up and, you know, show y'all how to do it. It's really self-explanatory though. Just peel and stick. Yeah. And then the second mod is actually in the daily. And I'm pretty sure my door is locked, so I'm gonna have to walk around to show y'all because I don't remember where I put it. Oh, okay, it's back here. I ordered this like a month ago and it took forever to get here, but this is my Glock sticker. And y'all pretty much know where this is gonna go. But I had this idea from somebody else's truck, so we definitely gonna do it now. We're gonna put it right here in the middle, in the center of the Grant and the BBG on 26s. It's gonna look real tough when the truck is more squatted, but we just gonna go ahead and stick it on. Low-key thought it was gonna be bigger, but I ain't complaining. I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna grab my tripod and then we're gonna go ahead and start with the mirror trim, and then we're gonna finish up with the sticker and try to get some clips of the truck at night and how everything looks. So yeah, let's get it.
Really, nigga?
Alright, so I'm gonna keep it a whole 100 with y'all. This is not the brand that I want to order. I usually order these off of realtruck.com because the quality is a lot better for the same price as these, but Real Truck been out for a minute, so this is Real Truck's fault that I gotta use these. Anyways, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and spoil some of the lift setup while I'm taking this off. What we gonna be doing is obviously spindles. And y'all like, this is a 4-wheel drive truck. Why you gonna run spindles on a 4-wheel drive truck? I don't use 4-wheel drive. We in North Carolina. It don't never snow. It don't never sleet. It don't never do none of that. It be hot 90% of the year. I don't need to use no 4-wheel drive. I ain't have it on my last truck, and it was just fine. But basically what you're gonna do is peel off the little back ends, line it up to this portion right here, and you're gonna stick it on. Now me, I usually bend these. I'm gonna keep it G. That's why I'm like, the ones from Wheel Truck are like solid. These are alright, but I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. And stuff sold out. So there we go. Okay, first try. It's already looking a whole lot better. I'm not gonna lie to you. Especially with the chrome handles. And then the one for the front, it's a little bit longer, and it actually has like indentations to tell you which one's the front and the rear. Maybe this one's the one that goes in. This one and this. But yeah, we're gonna be running 4-inch spindles, and I'm hoping to get to about 8 to 9 inches of lift. Y'all probably like, how are you gonna do that on spindles without a body lift? Watch me work my magic. If you seen my old rough country, y'all, a lot of y'all who know me personally know that my keys were pretty much all the way down on my old truck, and I was sitting at around 7.5 to 8 inches up top of lift. And I did that because I know what I'm doing. A lot of y'all don't know what y'all doing. Do y'all research on lift kits and stuff. You can really learn a lot. Okay, got that. Here we go. Look at this. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna lie, these went on a lot better than expected. And that's it. It's really simple, y'all, on how to install these, and you can see it really changed the look of the truck. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna install the other side. I ain't gonna record all that. We ain't need this video to be 20 minutes long. That's not how we do out here. But we're gonna install the other side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the sticker. You see I got my cup of water there and stuff like that. You gotta clean that black ass off and all that. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and we're gonna get to it. All right, y'all. So it done got a little darker, but we just cleaned off the window. You can see that smudge. We're gonna let that dry. And we got the Glock sticker right there. And basically, bro, if you work with vinyl, y'all already know. All you do is peel this back, set it up where you want to put it, make sure it's centered, and then make sure, I usually take a little card, like a credit card, and just smooth out the bubbles and stuff, and then I peel that little clear plastic off. And yeah, it's real simple. I ain't gonna record it. I'll just record the final results and all that. And yeah, making progress though. I told y'all I was gonna be doing, recording every time I do something to this truck. So I'm gonna do what it do. Anyways, I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we on to the last completion steps of the process. All right, y'all. So as you see, we got the chrome trim on. I'm probably gonna post a short later this week of just, showing how it looked in the day. But the sticker was a fail. I ain't gonna lie. The company we ordered it from, it just wasn't good quality, unfortunately. It just did not want to stick up there. So that was a complete fail. But, I ain't really gonna trip too much about it. I just wanted to get y'all some night clips with the lights and stuff on. And basically have an outro for the video. I know it's short. The next one will be a little bit longer. Just doing the best I can, because y'all know I am in college and I do work, and I'm doing the best I can. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And just stay tuned for the next video, y'all. BBG on 26's out.